This video is sponsored by Morning Brew, but more on that later. Hey everybody, it's Eddie here, and in this video, I'm going to be going over one swing trading strategy that can help you maximize your profit as you exit the crypto markets. This is one strategy that I did use in the stock market to help me get out of debt, and it is the same strategy that I do plan on using in the crypto markets as I do exit out. So if that sounds interesting, definitely stick around. Now, I do want to mention that there is no guarantee that you can achieve everything that I share with 100% accuracy. If you were able to, if I were able to, we'd make a ton of money, right? But it's just not that simple. The point of this video is to share one strategy out of many to help through your investing journey and to give you guys perspective on how you can increase your gains, but will require a little bit more research. First, I want to go over two different scenarios with you guys. The first is what most people will usually do. The second is what I would personally do. Let's say we have $500 and we put $100 in crypto A, B, C, D, and E. Now you have $100 in 5 different cryptos. Now what most people do in this type of scenario is they'll either hold on to their investment, make a 2, a 3x, and pull out their initial investment. Let's just say the entire market did a 2x. Now your crypto A is worth 200, B is worth 200, C, D, E, all worth $200. Your initial $500 investment is now worth $1,000. You have doubled your money. Or what you'll do is from here, you'll take out $500 in profit and keep your initial investment in and ride it to the upside. You were able to make a 100% gain, which is a 2x on your money. That's a pretty successful trade in my personal opinion. Now let's go over the second strategy to help you maximize your profits more than just doubling your money. But before I move on, I do want to talk about our sponsor today, Morning Brew. Now, I've personally been subscribed to Morning Brew for over a year, and they've been really helpful in terms of staying updated with the markets every single day. But Morning Brew sends you a newsletter every single day in your email. You can open it up, you can read everything under 5 minutes, and they have extremely good content and information in there. Today's newsletter is on Squid Game. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. As you scroll down, you can see market updates, so you can see how the market is doing. Of course, you can read more on that. We can learn about what's going on with the feds. And do you want to play a Squid Game? Have you guys seen Squid Game? Because it's the #1 show on Netflix right now. Just finished episode number 2, and it's pretty crazy. And Morning Brew lets you know investing is so easy, a hamster can do it. So if a hamster can do it, so can we. So if you like business, finance, and tech, definitely consider subscribing over to Morning Brew. It takes less than 15 seconds to subscribe, and it's completely free. I'll leave the link down below so you guys can check out Morning Brew, but let's get back to the strategy. Now this is strategy number 2. Now we're going to start off with the same amount as last time, which is $500, and we're going to distribute that into crypto A, B, C, D, and E. That means that crypto A, B, C, D, E now all has $100 invested. Now, usually the market moves up together. So if Bitcoin goes up, then all the other crypto altcoins will move up as well, like we saw in scenario number 1. Now, there are some cases where one altcoin or one crypto will outpace the entire market. Will kind of be like a leader in the market, and we'll usually do like a 2x or a 3x ahead of other cryptos. We're going to play with that scenario. So in this example, crypto A actually did a 2x before crypto B, C, D, and E. Now, usually when something like this doubles, we would take profit, but we're not going to just take profits, but we're going to put that profit into crypto B, C, D, and E. So 200, divide that by 4, because we have 4 crypto remaining, equals $50. We're going to put that $50 in here, in here, in here, and here. That's going to add up to 150, 150, 150, 150. Now we have 150 invested into B, C, D, and E, and crypto A is no longer exists. We're not going to even go back to it. We're not going to even touch it. Then the market starts to pick up. Crypto B and C all of a sudden does a 2x, while D and E really doesn't, right? So we're going to sell off crypto B and C and then put our profits into D and E. 150 plus 300 equals 450, 450. We've sold off B, we've sold off C, we're never going to touch it again. Now all we have left over is crypto D and crypto E. Crypto D all of a sudden does a 2x, the 450 turns into $900. Crypto E remains, so what do? You sell off crypto D into crypto E. D no longer exists, plus 900 equals 13 50. Now you have $1,350 invested into Crypto E. And then finally, Crypto E decides to do a 2x. That equals to $2,700. Now you're probably thinking, Eddie, that requires a lot of work. And I do agree, it does require work. But the gains, the potential, the gains are going to be much greater than just a 2x. We could have just held and just do a 2x. Most people are satisfied with that, right? But if you're willing to take the extra steps and do a little bit more research, that 2x potential now becomes a 5.4x. You were able to turn your $500 right over here into $2,700, meaning that you profited $2,200 extra. Now you might be thinking $2,200, not that much. The thing is, you don't want to be looking at the dollar value. You want to be looking at this over here, the multiplier, because let's raise the initial investment to $10,000. This is where you'll start to see a difference. If you just held and did a 2x, now your portfolio is worth $20,000. That is a 10K gain right over here. Not bad, 10K. Well, let's do a 5.4x here. That's going to make your portfolio a $54,000 portfolio. This right over here is a 44K gain. That is a huge difference than the 10K gain over here. Now, the best part is it doesn't have to end. There could have been a crypto F, and if you doubled your money there, that would be a 10.8x. You know, a lot of people are always trying to figure out what's the next 10x, the 15x, the 20x. But all you got to really focus on is focus on what you know best. Just focus on a few cryptos, 2x your money over and over and over again multiple times, and eventually you would have done a 20, a 30, a 50x on your initial investment. Doing a 2x in the stock market is really difficult. Doing a 2x in the crypto market, very possible. It's like this example here. You might have seen this chart, right? Watch what happens to this penny over 30 days. So basically you get a penny and it doubles every single day. Day 1, it's a penny. Day 2, it's just worth 2 cents. Day 3, 4 cents. You're doubling and doubling and doubling, but by day 15, your penny is now actually worth $163. And you multiply that by 2 every single day, and by day 30, your penny is now worth $5,368,000. To become a millionaire in the crypto market, all you got to do is just constantly double your money and you will get there. Of course, doubling your money isn't just that simple, but you get the point, right? You don't have to look for a 3x or a 5x or a 10x. Just look for a 2x. If you guys are interested in how I'm navigating these markets, how I buy, what I buy, when I sell, and more on technical analysis, definitely consider checking out the Patreon group. I'll leave that link down below. I do share more exclusive content on that page that I don't share on the public channel. We also have a Discord group. The team has been amazing, where we give each other updates and encouragements and kind of keep each other up while the market goes up and down, right? If you guys are interested in checking it out, I will leave the link down below. But other than that, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it gave some perspective and idea of what you could possibly do in these markets. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video over. Good night, good morning, adios.